Welcome everybody to Carol's Art Room. Well, you know me, I love my blooms. This is my Glidden Premium, mostly. A little bit of essentials in there, but mostly premium. So saw something in there. It's not good. Okay, so I'm going to do a bloom with some blue and orange. Yeah, okay. Six by 6 tile. This one is light blue violet by Liquitex Basics. It's opaque. I'll try to see if I can get negative space. And then I have some cerulean blue, Meaden. I should have mixed that a little bit more. And I have some some orange. Ultramarine blue by Pebbio. I think I want another blue. Okay, how about a little sky blue by Deco Art? I'll use my mini blower. Black activator. Give it a good shake before you use it. All my recipes are in the description under the video for the bloom technique. Well, my orange just disappeared. I should have put it on the top. And this is the white paint from underneath. Let's wait for the middle to come closer. Well, you know what? I wish I had more yellow or more orange. So you know what I'm gonna do. You know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put the orange. Maybe this was opaque. Oh, I don't want to waste all that paint. Cerulean blue. I'm gonna put I think I'll just put the orange. I was gonna put it on the top, but let's see what we get. Oops. I'll put the cerulean blue ones at top. Maybe it won't. Maybe more orange will show up. Wow, still no orange. Well, this one's better than the last one, so look at these cells. The orange is coming around these. I love that, so I'm gonna leave it. I was just trying to poke out some of these white ones, but I don't think I'm gonna get them all. Anyway, let's do some swirls. And let's give her a spin. Maybe just poke out a couple more. Okay, let's give it a spin and see what we get. I do like this. I like the white in there with that, and I love this. So I'm liking it. Isn't that beautiful? I don't like this here. All right, let's see, moving in the middle. Yep, she's moving. Okay, I have to be careful now not to spin it too hard. Just have one more corner to come off. I always like one side better than the other. I love that. I love the blue and the orange. Oh. Okay, I'll just leave those. What do you think? I think I need more of this. Thanks for watching. I'll put the dried result at the end of the video. Have a good day.
Hi, everybody. Here's my dried tile. It dried really good.
I love how the orange is circling the blue. Those are very cool. And even over here, those are pretty. And here's my white ones. Yeah, it turned out pretty good. I don't mind it at all. Thanks for watching.